This video I will explain how to install a Brave browser and import bookmarks. The Brave browser is a free internet browser known for its fast speed, privacy protection, and ad blocking features. You can easily install it and move your bookmarks from another browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Step 1 is you can download and install a Brave browser. For that, open your current browser. It can be Chrome or Edge. Then go to official Brave website. Then you can download Brave installer. And once downloaded, click on the installer and follow the steps to install Brave browser. After installation, open the Brave. It looks similar to Chrome but with more privacy options. Step 2 is import bookmarks from another browser. When you open Brave for the first time, it may ask you to automatically if you want to import your bookmarks, passwords, and history from another browser. If it does not, then here you can see the steps you can follow and import bookmarks. We will see how to do that. You can turn on bookmarks bar. To do that, go to settings and click on appearance. Then you can turn on show bookmarks bar. We will see how to do that. Now we will see the final notes. First one is familiar experience. Brave is built on the same technology as Chrome, so it feels very familiar to use. Next one is privacy and speed. Brave blocks ads and trackers by default, helping you to browse faster and more privately. Next one is extension support. You can also install extensions from Chrome Web Store just like in Chrome.